So yeah, let's go. Want to do a montage of New York City?
Cut to the montage.
Hey, nice shirt there, guy.
Hey, be quiet, dude.
He's wearing my clothes because his bag didn't show up from the airport, so there's that. So your first trip to New York City, buddy?
Dude, it is, I gotta be honest, like I thought I would be more overwhelmed, but you kind of just have to, it's like jumping into the river. You just get in and you go with everybody else. Nobody knows you're a tourist. You just go with it.
Well, you look like a tourist.
Your mom looks like a tourist.
Hey.
Yeah, it's been awesome, dude. And staying down here, it's just weird. It's like, it's seriously like being in any movie that you see about New York, anything that you see on the news. Like, it's crazy, man. I love it. Massive skyscrapers everywhere, giant signs. It really is a lot of fun. I dig it.
So one of the things about New York that I think is really, really cool is it really is kind of this melting pot of all these different cultures and amazing things. I mean, we're here kind of like on a burger quest. It's a burger quest.
Burger quest.
We're gonna eat some more burgers. I mean, I feel like I already had a pretty good vocab of burger information.
Yeah, but not until you're with George. That dude is a Wikipedia.
So if you don't know George Motz, go to georgemotz.com. He wrote Hamburger America. He has a show on Travel Channel called Burgerland. It's really, really good. We're basically traveling around New York City, hanging out with him, shooting some, what would you call it, burger culture? Like really exploring like what burger culture is like in Manhattan. And it's pretty eclectic. I mean, it kind of makes sense because we're in New York. You know, they say if you can't find it in New York,
find it in New York. It's just not there. If it's not here, it's not really worth it.
It's not worth. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Yeah, hanging out with George and cooking. We actually cooked at his house in his backyard on his Blackstone, and he does this really cool thing with these really thinly shaved onions. And that was freaking
dude. That was a burger game changer.
Well, basically, it changes the way the onions taste because they're so thin. Like they steam, and the burger steams in like the onion juice. Some of the onions stay soft and steamed, and the other ones are like
crispy, and
like caramelized, crunchy.
Yeah.
Man, so good.
Hey, dude, we should go get some drinks tonight too.
Okay. It is really hot in the subway. There's no AC in this one.
I was actually expecting a break when we got into that actual subway. I gotta get rid of all this goo. It feels terrible.
Why do you always have to go to the goo?
Because it's just a really funny word.
Do you know about CJ's goo?
No, I don't. Oh, no, I do actually.
Tomorrow we're going to be shooting at Beatrice Inn. I'm really excited about that. It's like a super beautiful, gorgeous burger. It's dry aged beef. It's going to be pretty much like decadent.
Dude, we're
like
just, I'm not even burgered out yet.
No.
Like just getting started.
Yeah.
Oh,
I feel something. We went and had a bunch of different kinds of burgers. We had, what was the really cool one? Corzo. It was like a deep fried.
Cool place, man.
It was really cool. It was deep fried and this really interesting dough. And then they actually had this amazing red mustard that she, what did she say? They took the mustard seeds.
Yeah, and they soaked them in beets, beet juice.
Yeah, so mustard seeds soaked in beet juice, and then they used that to make the mustard. Really, really freaking good. Now we are heading back to the hotel to take a shower.
Yes.
And there's this, check that out. CJ just found his new instrument.
What? This is my first time here.
We almost died in a cab.
Yep, twice.
And then in an Uber, which I thought was going to be safer, but it definitely wasn't.
No.
Yeah, day 2, done. Waking up early tomorrow for more burgerage.
Burgage adventure continues.
What are we going to do tonight? Let's find something fun to do tonight.
Oh, let's do it.
Fun.
Yep.
New York City at night.
So full of life.
So we're going to go enjoy some New York City nightlife. Maybe we're going to go find a harpist.
Oh, yeah. Where could we find one of those?
Isn't that what people do in New York? They go find harpists.
Let's go find one.